2010. Digitalization has entered almost every part of personal, public, and economic life. With further sophistication, also the meaning and role of automation technology has changed over the past 20 years. The worlds of IT and OT are melting together. The Internet of Things has become a challenge and opportunity for many businesses, and openness and security have become equally important requirements. What industries in this decade need is decentralized automation and scalability. But they also need the right means to use valuable data like energy consumption or process optimization to improve their performance in terms of efficiency and sustainability. With new products such as the PFC 200 and touch panels and services like the WAGO Cloud, WAGO enables small businesses and large-scale plants to enter the next level of digitalization, and thus to be set up for the future.